Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up a beautiful and functional booking system on your WordPress website in under 5 minutes. And the best part, it's completely free. Let's jump right in. Right now, I've just got the default WordPress theme set up, and I want people to be able to book a time with me without all the back and forth emails. So let's turn this plain page into a smooth, interactive booking calendar. Step 1. Head to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, and in the search bar type Creavi Booking Calendar. Click Install, then Activate, and you're good to go. Once activated, you'll see a new Creavi Booking tab in the left-hand menu. Let's go ahead and create our first service. Here I can enter the service name, a short description, and even upload an image to make it more visual. Next, we define available booking days. You can choose to autofill dates, like 1 month ahead, or manually select available days from a calendar. Now let's move on to the booking form. By default, we'll collect name and email, but you can easily add custom fields too if you need them. Time to set up the time slots. We'll choose the time zone, or just leave it as auto-detected. Set the duration of each appointment, and then simply click the hours you want to make available. Easy, right? In just a few clicks, our service is ready. Hit save, and now we get a shortcode. Copy it and paste it anywhere, for example, into a page using the Gutenberg editor. Let's open a sample page, drop the shortcode in, click Save, and view the result. Boom, it looks great. Fully functional, styled to match your theme, and ready to accept bookings immediately. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from no booking system to a clean and user-friendly appointment calendar. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. Check out the demo site linked in the description to explore different layout options and examples. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.